Hey everybody, this is Tom from the Tom Parsley channel. I'm Tom, and just like Parsley, we get into a little bit of everything. So you wouldn't believe where we are, but we are on Long Island, and behind me here is kind of a drowned river valley from the glacier period. So we're going to talk a little bit about glaciers. We're going to talk a little bit about the Carmans River, because we're at the headwaters of the Carmans River. Carmans River we talked about in one of my other videos in South Haven Park. I'll put it up over here somewhere. And so we're going to do a little bit of glacial geology of Long Island. We're going to talk a little bit about headwaters of rivers, and just a little video on rivers and geology. So come along with me. So specifically where we are, right in front of me over here is Cathedral Pines County Park. We're in Middle Island, Yaphank area. Longwood High School is up over there. And you can't really see it, but this is a very gradual glacial valley. If you look on topo maps, you could clearly see that this is a little river valley, and the Carmans River naturally follows that flow of the river, because behind us over here in this area is what's known as the Harbor Hill Moraine. And Harbor Hill Moraine is one of those piles of debris that was left over when the glaciers, sorry, cars are passing by, when the glaciers came through and formed Long Island. As they retreated, as they melted, as that ice, the ice was as high as the Empire State Building is tall. And once that ice melted, it left behind all this material, unsorted material, all different sizes, called moraines. And actually Long Island is just one big pile of dirt, sand, and gravel left over from the glacier. About the last retreat, the Wisconsin Glacier, was about I always leave off a zero. It's either 20,000 years ago or 200,000 years ago. I'll put it down over here, whichever one it is, which left behind the Harbor Hill Moraine, which gradually goes down and then goes up again when the Ronkonkoma Moraine starts. But because water flows downhill, water is going to seep out of the Harbor Hill Moraine and go south of here and flow into the Carmans River. So let's go check out the Carmans River. I know it doesn't look like much, but here it is. This is the beginnings, not the headwaters, but the beginnings of the Carmans River. The Carmans River actually starts at a little pond. There's a Walmart in a town called Middle Island, and right across the street from that Walmart is a little depression pond area, and that's where the water is coming out from at the base of the Harbor Hill Moraine and just flowing south. South is that way, and the water keeps flowing south. It's not, you can't tell that it's flowing now. Let me turn you around. You can't tell that the water is flowing, but it is flowing slowly from here down over here under the road through a culvert, and then continues on that way, and it continues all the way to South Haven County Park, which is where we did our other video. So you might have noticed that blue pipe over there. That blue pipe is a well, a testing well. So periodically, New York State Department of Environmental Conservation or the Soil and Water Conservation or someone from Suffolk County Water Department will come here and test the water, because anything upstream will end up down here, and then anything downstream from here will end up at the next test well. So let's go across the street, see what it looks like. All right, I had to get to a safe spot off the road because cars are coming down here pretty fast. So water is right down here coming out from across the street, which is, we were right over there, and just goes right under the street here. And there's our friend skunk cabbage right down here. You can kind of see it. It's growing all along, all the way back here. All this is all skunk cabbage. So the Carmans River just kind of flows. Let me get you in focus here. Flows just south of here all the way to South Haven Park, widens up, more water flows, and it becomes the mighty Carmans River once it gets south of Sunrise Highway, and then goes past the Wertheim Wildlife Refuge, and eventually goes right out into Great South Bay. So this is the start of that river right here. I mean, not the start. The start is behind the Walmart over, across from the Walmart over in Middle Island. But this is flowing from the Harbor Hill Moraine. Water flows downhill, so it's just a slight downhill slope all the way into South Haven, and then under Sunrise Highway, and then all the way down into Great South Bay. All right, let me go across. So beginnings of rivers don't really look like that much. It's just a little trickle, but it's amazing that that little trickle could then continue on and be a major waterway. And this is just all coming out of groundwater. Now, Is it lower than it normally is? I don't know what the normal water level is here, so I couldn't really tell you. But I could tell that it has been flooded periodically from rainfall, and it has been awfully dry the last couple of weeks, so the water table is a little low. But that's the Carmans River, and so we're going to continue doing a series on rivers on Long Island and just rivers in general. So this is part of the Carmans River series that I did in South Haven. Then I'll do another video further down Sunrise Highway. There's a neat little fish ladder at the end of the lake in South Haven, and then it goes under Sunrise Highway and then past Wertheim, which is a great kayak and canoe opportunity, which is really good if you haven't done it yet. It's a good thing to do. So let me wait till these cars pass by here. 1, 2. All right. So this is Tom from Tom Parsley Town, just getting under some trees here so I can start walking on the trail back into the park here. Tom from the Tom Parsley channel, thanking you all for coming along for the journey. Remember those 3 things: like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and join me on the next video.